Hello everyone. In this video today we are going to look at how we can copy paste data in Excel using the standard shortcut of Ctrl C Ctrl V, but what are the other options available which can help you speed up your work considerably. So let's quickly get into this. So here I've got a sheet of product list where I've got a product name, and this is a category and brand which I need to copy paste. So earlier when I used to use Excel, the simple way that I was always used to follow was Ctrl C, select all the cells where I want to paste it, and use Ctrl V for pasting it. So that is straightforward. Now I found some other options which helped me a lot. So without having to use the mouse, I could simply work with the keyboard, and then in one shot I could copy down the values. So I had mobile phones written in the category. I'll just select that cell and the cells below it and press Ctrl D on the keyboard, and it will fill the values down, or I'll just say it will copy the values down. Same thing for brand in this case. Ctrl D and the values are copied down. So I don't have to do Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And another one shortcut which is available on the keyboard is the Ctrl R. So let's say this is a product name list and you want to copy it to the right. So you can use this Ctrl R option, and the values will be filled in the right column, or I call it copy. It will be copied to the right column. And the last option here is the flash fill, which is Ctrl E. So for example, you have a product name which consists of a brand. So I've typed Apple as the brand, and then I can simply select that cell and press Ctrl E. It might look easier when there is only one value to be copied, but imagine that if you have a product list which has got multiple brands in it, and they all contain the brand name in the first word. In that case, when you use this, you'll see the benefit. So you'll not have to do multiple typing, copy paste shortcuts. You just Ctrl E, the flash fill will work in that case. Hope you liked it. This helps me, at least saves 50% of my time which I used to spend in Ctrl C Ctrl V. If it helps you, do let us know. Thank you and have a nice day.